Hi, I'm currently doing Paul McWhorter's Raspberry Pico W lessons, and we're on lesson, well, I'm on lesson number 53, and it's using Neopixels and using the colours of the rainbow. So I will just show you a bit of my code in case you're interested. I'm importing radint from random because I use random colours of the rainbow in one part. Now, this deaf wheel is written by Adafruit, and when Keith used it, I did say actually it would be a little more efficient if you didn't have if kind of thing, but I've decided that my solution looked a bit ugly, and I'm only using it right at the beginning of the program, so that's all right. Right, so I'm using 16 LEDs. I've just set colours in rainbow, so I'm not putting 8 and 6 and 7 in the program and thinking what on earth is that. So I'm using the variable colours in rainbow. Then I'm just keeping all the colours of the rainbow in a list, and I'm using the wheel function to do that, because it makes a lot more sense to use that rather than the HSV, especially when on an LED you don't really care about the S and the V. And then I'm just using the brightness to make another array of the rainbow colours, but this time they're very dim. And if you look up at the top, my brightness, in order to try and film this, is really low, and hopefully we'll still be able to see it. Right, main program. I'm just, for all the colours in the rainbow, I'm just turning all the pixels to that colour, and then the next one I'm just gradually filling it up with all the colours in turn. Then the next one, it's just I'm filling all the pixels with a random colour of the rainbow. And then this scroll one, this would look an awful lot better if I had a long strip of Neopixels. That's a better name for them, Nixels. If I had a nice long one like Keith does, but I don't, and I'm not going to buy one. So what I'm doing is I'm just scrolling through, and I'm allowing people to say how many times you want a red pixel, and then red, orange, then orange, then yellow. So you can choose from that, and it would look really good. So Keith, if you're watching this, you try that bit to see if it looks good, because you can't really tell what it looks like on my little Neopixel ring. And then Control C to get out. Right, so I will turn out the light. I will position that over there so I know what I'm doing. Oh, I'll be able to see the screen, see me. I'll turn out the light. Now, you can kind of see that it was changing colour. Right, click there. Where's enter gone? Right, now this is just random colours of the rainbow. And how many of each colour do you want? This will go wrong if I don't press a numeric key. Let's try, I think that's, yeah, that's 3. It's difficult to tell the difference between red and orange and things, but it looks lovely in real life. Really, really, really lovely. Press enter to replay. No, we've got better things to do with our lives. Right, where's the control key? Control C. Out. Right, I've no idea where Alt 2 is, so I'm going to have to do it the long-winded way.